In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font and colors in GoDaddy. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account using your usual login details. If you're already signed in, you can move straight ahead. After you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your profile name or initials. This opens a quick menu where you can access different areas of your account. Choose My Products to see everything associated with your profile. Here, locate your website under Websites plus Marketing. Click your website to open the editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page and section where your text appears. Click directly on the specific text you want to change. As soon as you select it, a new editing panel or toolbar will appear, typically on the side or above the text. This panel gives you control over how your text looks. To change the font, find the font drop-down in that panel. Click it to browse the available typefaces. As you hover or select options, you'll usually see a live preview so you can judge the look immediately. Choose a font that matches your site's tone, clean and modern for a professional feel, or more expressive if your brand is playful. A quick tip: try to stick with one font for body text and another complementary font for headings to keep things consistent and easy to read. Next, adjust the color. In the same panel, click the color option for text. You'll see preset theme colors, a color picker, or both. If your brand has specific colors, select from your theme palette or enter the exact hex code if the tool allows it. Aim for strong contrast, so your text is readable against the background. Dark text on a light background, or light text on a dark background, usually works best. As you click different colors, watch the live preview to confirm the result looks good across headings, subheadings, and body copy. Take a moment to review how the new font and color appear across different sections of the page. If something feels off, maybe the font is too decorative for long paragraphs or the color is too faint, simply click the text again and refine your choices in the same panel. Once you're happy with the look, you're all set. That's how you change fonts and colors in GoDaddy quickly and confidently.